Okay, my name is Damaris Kituma. I'm a landlord around Scholars. I'm the landlord of Scholars Plaza around Kemu area. And this morning we had a very unfortunate event whereby a young man and a young girl were found dead in a house just next to our premises, which we think it's murder or maybe the boy committed suicide. And personally, as a parent, it's very unfortunate. As a landlord, it's also very unfortunate. We are very saddened by this event. And it has become very rampant. I don't know why the university students have taken it upon their ends to kill each other. The relationships are going sour and you find somebody is killing the other. It's quite unfortunate. And we feel bad as parents because it is an investment lost. It is a life lost. Surely it is a lot of things that has gone into waste. Yeah. Okay, as a mother, and by the way, I'm also a teacher, though I resigned, I would love to advise the students that when they come to the university, their main purpose is one. If today you call any parent and ask the parent, where is your daughter, where is your son? The parent will say, my son or daughter is at the university. But apparently the parents are not aware what the students are doing at the universities.
Kwa majina naitwa Samuel Ndingu Ntere. Mimi ni Senior Assistant Chief Kithoka Sub-Location. Leo kama saa 5 hivi nilipigiwa simu ni ACC wa Kiathandi Division. Kaniuliza ni nini inaendelea hapa na karibu na Kemu. Tulikuwa tunafanya huduma registration, nikatoka hapo nikakuja mpaka Kemu. Hapa kuko na nyumba hii inaitwa Scholars. Ndio nilikuta watu wengi, nikauliza nikaambiwa kuna mama moja na kijana wamejiua kwa nyumba yao. Niliingia huko nikakuta mama ameanguka hapo bathroom na huyo kijana amejiweka kamba kwa mlango ya bathroom. Hiyo ndio nilijua. Polisi walikuja wakachukua mwili wakaenda naye mpaka polisi Meru level 5 mochari.
We would like to let our administration know that this area, most of the tenants are students, and we realize they are indulging in a lot of drugs. There are people who are selling drugs around. We see them bringing with their motorbikes around. We have people here who have no other business apart from selling drugs. And we want today our county commissioner to know, the police to know, that around Kemu area, drugs have got a market. And today we are calling upon them to come and help us.
My name's I'm Patrick, Professor Patrick Ntonja. I teach students at the university, not only here in Kenya, I've taught also abroad for about 6 years in South Korea. Now, this is an incident that has come to our doorstep, and to note that it's a university student again on a university student again.
My name is Pastor Elias Kiremi. I'm a pastor in this area with a church called Gospel Celebration Church. And I want to say this is a sad day for Meru. It's a sad day for Meru and Kenya at large, because we have lost 2 very vibrant young people. And I want to say that we, as a society, there is something that is not very right, and we need to have a concerted efforts instead of pointing fingers to each other. As a society, we need to find out the root causes of some of these things that are happening when young people kill each other and kill themselves. I want to say that it is wrong, and we want to find out the solution.